Hey guys, it's Rocky here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video this week. And of course, if you're new here, remember to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click that notification button when I post new videos. So let's get on to this week's video. If you don't know, vision boards are all about intention, and if you put the right intention into the images or into the words that you're saying, you are sure by to get all of those dreams achieved. But just remember, none of these goals are meant to be, set for the end of the year. They're just kind of goals and aspirations that you can reflect on, so that it motivates you to maybe go on that diet that you've always wanted to, or work harder at school, or maybe finding the love of your life. Why am I not talking about love? What is happening, Rocka? This is a reminder to stay focused and to just remember what you're working for, because at the end of the day, it's so hard to find motivation out there. It doesn't come through the radio, it doesn't come through everything you see. So it's just kind of, I don't know, it's a good way to have your goals set out. Every day you can come and see it, whether you want to put it in your bathroom, in your kitchen, in your bedroom, in your closet. You can put it anywhere. If you don't want anyone to see it, you can hide it in your drawer, honey. Hide it in there. And if you are wanting to save time, you can always just make your vision board on Word, print everything out that you'd like on there, and store it in a flip file, or maybe make a journal that way. And of course, if you want to do it on a journal, one thing I like to do is elaborate more on my specific goals and dreams, whereas a vision board is a bit more condensed, where we use images and little words and keywords. Not too sure if you've all read the book The Secret, but it speaks about it talks about this amazing story where this man made this huge vision board and put down all of his dream car, his dream house, and only 10 years later did he go back and see that he had everything that he wanted. The exact family, it was exactly the life he lived. But this was 10 years later. So just remember that these goals that you're setting, these motivational quotes, these gym goals, school goals, like I said, are just something to motivate you to become better and to get to your goals and dreams a bit faster. I know these boards get very confusing. A lot of people don't really know what to put onto their boards, what pictures or what to say. But I believe in just doing self-reflection. What do you want in your own life? Do you feel like your mental health could be improved, your physical health, your spiritual health? Even if it's just a little picture that means something to you, it might not be actual spirits. You can't really get a picture of that realistically. But put those intentions in there, and when you're actually making the board, kind of manifest these things that you would like to happen in your life. So whether you would like to make short-term goals, and my short-term goal would be maybe making friends, because that's something that you can really control. Just remember that not everything needs to be superficial and materialistic. You can make up whatever you want. It's your vision board and your story. So let's make it happen.
Let's get into what you need to make your vision board. So by the way guys, I went to C&A because they have the smallest store to get all of these project items, and I found that it was much quicker to get into that store than to go into Walton's, because Walton's is crazy. Alright, so first thing I got from them was a whiteboard. This one is nice and sturdy, but it's also light enough for you to just roll it up if you need to. The second thing I got was a permanent marker, and then of course the things that I needed to get on my own was the pictures, my quotes, and my labels. And then of course guys, don't forget, this is supposed to be super fun, so make sure you have all your glitter pens out, all of your colored pens, and just really great stickers if you have any. And then of course, don't forget that we need to stick this all down, so get yourself a prick glue guys, we're gonna need it. Alright guys, so how I get the inspo for my vision board is first of all, I like to get my pictures off my phone, screenshot them, and then load them onto my desktop and print them that way. Otherwise, you can get your quotes and other inspo for your vision board off of Instagram, Tumblr, or you can actually go in and Google pictures. I find that that's definitely a quick way. And if you have a bit more time, definitely look through a magazine or two. I find that it takes a bit longer, so definitely set up some time to do that. So I started collecting magazine photos from last year, December, which really did help. I even had surplus pictures and ideas that I just had to leave out because I felt like I didn't even care about them anymore. There's a few goals that I wanted to focus on this year, and that's definitely all of my relationships with family and of course my fiance Sheldon, and then I branched over into business, so I really wanted to focus on being more organized in business with Sheldon and just being more organized myself, because I really struggle to keep my car and my room and my home organized. So I definitely want to dive into that this year. Of course, I would always welcome making new friends and just meeting new people. I would like to be more on time, take better care of my skin, save money, and of course travel more. And last but not least, guys, I definitely want to learn healthy habits for self-empowerment, like going to gym more, reading way more books, because last year I only read 2 books, which is so dismal. Then of course just eating healthy as well, because I've been really just off the rails with that.
Okay guys, so that is it for my vision board. I hope you guys found this really helpful, especially if you like being creative, whether it's interior design or fashion, or if you're just an engineer and you like pictures, then this is definitely the way for you to make a vision board. I feel like this is a great way to start the year and put your intentions forward for the next is through a beautiful vision board, whether it's written or of course drawn. Alright guys, that is it on my 2019 Making Your Dreams Come True video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to leave a like, share, comment, and of course subscribe down below, and don't forget that notification button for my future uploads. Of course, to the non-believers and the dreamers, I hope you have a fantastic 2019. Bye!
Young Music.